Hey gang, welcome back. We're getting ready for some Supermoto fun this weekend, so we wanted to get some live timing as far as track times and that kind of thing. So we're going to be running the Aim Solo2. Wanted to get it set up on the Supermoto. Let's show you how. It's going to be really easy to get the Aim Solo2 from the Supersport over to the Supermoto with the help of this Aim Solo2 bar pad and one screwdriver. And then let's see what we got in the box here. And that's it. We got ours from PegasusAutoRacing.com. Super fast delivery and is going to have us out on track this weekend. We will see you out there.